Are you a slow starter or do you head straight in for the hardest, coolest, and most thrilling of rides? Choose your dose of fun and get started for an unforgettable day lies ahead. That's right, the sky is the limit at Wonderla, Hyderabad, and the amusement is cashless. So let's get started with a new video and stay tuned for the all insights of Wonderla. In the screen you can see the price for per individual adult as well as child. For a normal ticket it will cost 1249, fast track 1874, for child 1149 and first track for child 1724 plus GST. Though I will say you always try to book for fast track, it is hassle free and without any line. As this Wonderla Hyderabad is little far from the city, so you have to take your own transport or you can take any rental transport for the whole day. But they also provide bus service. You can contact Wonderla and you will get all the details of the timing and the stoppage also. Now for parking, they have a huge parking area, so nothing to worry about for your parking. Any day you go, you will get ample lot of space for parking. Second, if you want to purchase your ticket, you can purchase online as well as you can get into the park and you can also purchase it from there. But I will always say it's better to purchase online as you will get different types of offer. As we went on the Eid day, we got 1000 rupees for our ticket. We went for 6 people and it was a great deal for us. Now, after entering into the park, on the left side there is a ticket counter. There are also you can get the merchandise. If you don't have your costumes, you can buy it from there. There are also lockers to keep your stuff. After keeping everything, we went into straight to the dry rides. As we thought, before entering in, we will take the dry rice first, then we will have our lunch. After that, we will go for the water rice as it will be safe for us. So, if you follow this pattern, it will be easier for you to enjoy the whole day. As after lunch, there is a high chance to vomit if you go for the dry rice because dry rice are little difficult compared to the water rice. Now let me show you the sneak peek of the dry rice. Why I am telling it's very difficult for you to take those right after lunch. After that I will show you in an elaborate way.
Maybe it's the chemistry, it's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like
After that, let me show you some of the dangerous ride in this Wonderland. The one which you are seeing in this video, this is the most dangerous ride among all the dry rides. This is a roller coaster ride which was so dangerous and I was really scared by riding this ride. So while you are taking this ride, be careful. Though this dangerous ride I name is a roller coaster, its original name is Recall. Before showing you that, let me show you some of the easy dry rides too. This one which you are seeing in this video, it is a swing boat which was very easy. You can ride with your kids as well as your friends. But I will suggest to take this Recall ride, you should be courageous or else it will be little difficult for people, those who have vertigo or old age or heart problem. especially you should avoid this type of ride. Now, let me give you a little glance of this ride. I hope you will enjoy a lot. Now let me show you all other riders. Among them, some are little difficult and some are very easy to ride with your family as well as friend plus your kids. So keep on watching, and if you think today's video is worth it, then please do subscribe my channel for more updates. So after entering into Wonderla, this was the first ride we took. Hardly we have to wait for 2 to 3 minutes to take this ride. After that, it was so good to take this ride and we enjoyed utmost. From this video, you can also understand how we are enjoying. Though I like to inform you that while taking any ride in Wonderla, you should be very careful with your belongings. You can take rent to keep your belongings in a locker, or there are some space in front of each and every ride to keep your stuff. Now let me show you another difficult ride. For me, it was really difficult as it was 360-degree upside down, and I thought simple to ignore this because over here I saw many people are vomiting in this ride, and after seeing those I simply thought to ignore it. But if you are an adventurous person and you like these thrilling activities, you are always in a right place and take all the experience in Wonderla. Now, after showing you some of the fantastic rides of adult, let me show you few rides which are totally meant for kids. This amazing circus train was very nice. When it was going, there was a music and all kids were having a lot of fun. So not only adult will have all the fun, for kids it is also a great fun too, and a full day fun filled activities. Keep on watching this video for more, and if you think this video you like the most, then don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so when I upload my next video you get the notification first. Go, Rio, go fast. ওদের কাছে এটাই কত মজা, দেখো না। আনন্দটা দেখো। After doing so many dry rides, we were really exhausted and it was time to take our lunch. Though we choose for buffet area as this place is entirely AC, they also have a la carte, but they don't have AC over there. It's tremendous hot that day, so we thought to take buffet. The buffet price was $4.49 for kids and $5.49 for adult, in which you will get both veg and non-veg. So let me show you some of the items. Now let me show you the veg section first. First of all, you get tarka dal with that samba, steamed rice, veg pulao, paneer curry, fried potato, roti, as well as dahi, ice cream, and dessert of the day is gajar ka halwa. Now let's on move to the non-veg section where you will get two types of chicken curry. One is home style, another something different from that. Chicken pulao, noodles, as well as different type of salad. So 549 is really worth it. You can always try this buffet if you are visiting Wonderland. And if you don't want to take buffet, there is always a la carte section too, but not in this area. When you enter from the main gate on the left side, there is a huge a la carte area where you can enjoy their food too. Next, after finishing our lunch, we finally move on to the veg section. As I already mentioned you at the beginning of this video, that after lunch we step on into the veg section. So now let me show you the veg area and different types of rice what you are going to get in this area. So keep on watching, and still if you have not subscribed my channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now first of all, this is a wave pool area where you will get this type of pool side by side. Two pool are there, and after each 1 hour you will get a wave for 15 minutes. This wave pool is really excitement and a tremendous place to visit. Throughout the day, whatever you have done, this is the exact place to relax your body and soul. After this wave pool, we went to other water ride too. Among them, some are slide. There was a huge slides you can see in this video. And one more was the most excitement, the cover one. It was dangerous as well as adventurous. So why are you waiting for? Go to Day Wonderland and visit all the rides. After doing different types of water ride, it's time to say goodbye. It's around 6 o'clock and all the water rides get closed, and within 7 p.m. the ride is also closed down. Exactly 6 o'clock they will close the water ride. No extra time given. Now let me show this area. This area is entirely meant for all kids. This is water ride where all the kids can enjoy to the maximum. It's a huge place where all the kids can enjoy throughout the day, and these rides are very simple and easy so that all age group of kids can enjoy. After this ride, at last we went to the dry ride. Only one ride which was left for us to take, that is the giant. I mentioned you earlier that dry rounds closed at 7 p.m. So after this wait ride, we went straight away to the giant wheel and thought to give a try. And to close our fun-filled day with lot of adventures and excitement. Now I'm standing at the top of the giant wheel. From here, let me show you the entire wide view of the Wonderland. It's a nice place and amazing view. With this giant wheel ride, over here you can take this ride and watch the entire city. It's really a heart-touching view. So now it's your turn to blend with water rides, wait rides, and of course the entertainment and sunny smiles. Experience the joy of water rides, the wait ride, and the laughter of friends in the sun-kissed fun. So at last, left or right, wherever you look, you can hear giggles, screams of joy, and shout of excitement. Wonderland Hyderabad is a fun-filled joyrides and adventure, exhilarating rides that will leave you wanting for more. This is without a doubt the happiest place in Hyderabad. So why are you waiting for in this summer vacation? Take your keys and hurry up and enjoy the whole day tension free and excitement. Thanks for watching. See you again with another excitement video. Till then, stay healthy, stay wealthy, and if you are new in my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so whenever I upload new videos, you will get the notification. See you again. Bye bye.